Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will present about my portfolio projects when I still in Edinburgh School from 7th grade until now 9th grade, especially from 2023 until 2026. So this portfolio is contains about all of my project from IT when 7th grade until 9th grade, and also Diniyah projects 7 until 9, and also English projects. And also in this portfolio there is achievement that I achieved in IDN boarding schools, also experience that I get in IDN. So let's go to the table of content. So the first I will introduce about myself. After that I will show about my CV, and also after I introduce about my CV, I continue to game projects, website projects, IoT projects, and other IT projects. And after that I move to English projects and also Diniyah until achievement and experience. Okay, so introduction. My name is Muhammad Izin Al-Ghazi. You can call me Gozi, and let's move to the curriculum vitae. I'm in SMP and primary school before I'm elementary schools in SDT Al Haraki, and I have two software skills. The first is graphic design skill. I'm using Figma, and also app development skills. I use VS Code, especially Flutter programming language. Okay, and for the experience, I have more maybe, but I not input here. The experience is about identity teachings, like in SME Johor Bahru or Santikon Islamic School from 7th grade until 9th grade. And you can contact me in WhatsApp, you can contact me, and also you can search me in LinkedIn. Okay. And for the game projects, project that I made in 7th grades, it's using Scratch in semester 1. Okay. So the first, I make a catching fruit game. So it's like a game that you catch the fruits or another items to get a point. And it's the first project in Edinburgh School for me. And the second project is Fruit Ninja. It's also Scratch project too, but it's like a normal Fruit Ninja games in Play Store. Maybe you have played because it's maybe a famous game. And also the third game is Take Me Out. It's like you help the cat to escape the room. So if you can escape the rooms, you can win this game. And also I made adab game. It's about adab Islami before sleeps. So it's tell you about adab before sleeps that I make in Scratch. And let's move to the build box projects. The first is Jumping Cube. So it's the first build box project that I make in 7th grade semester 2. It's so you control the cube to not hit the obstacle. Okay. And for the second and third, there is a running ball project and also crossing road game that's I make in build box. So same like jumping cube, running ball is same, but it's just a different character. Before is cube and this is a ball. And crossing road too, it's just avoid the obstacle. Okay. And so move to website projects. That I make 3 website projects. The first is most websites, school websites, and personal websites. So the first most website I make in Pantheon using WordPress, and also in school projects I make my old elementary schools. I made in Google Sheets, and also for my personal website there is no picture because I did not give money to to no longer to activate the domain. So domain is extends, not extends. Okay. And for the IoT projects, I have many like Blink app. So I make dashboards in Blink about IoT projects, and also I learn about line follower, the robot that follow the line, and also the temperature. So I make a temperature in block. And also I learn about sumo robot and join IDN competitions. It's sumo robot competition, but the name is IDN competition. Okay, and let's move to the multimedia projects. So this is I make a poster about AI in Figma. Yeah, this is I make in Figma. So I make a visual merchandise about SAO, and I make poster dakwah, UI design, and also animation. And the animation is I make in Gitar, yeah, and all before in Figma. And for Android project, the first is I make my name card in Kodular. Yeah. And the next is there is radio online, so it's like Murotal 24-hour. In Kodular 2, calculator app in Kodular 2, find my edge in Kodular. Calculator app is like you can calculator about rectangle, triangle, and others. And find my edge there is will be calculate your edge. And also Bitaqwa app that I make in VS Code using Flutter programming language. So it's like a Muslim app. And next to English projects, I make a podcast with Kafka and a lecture about Tableau. It's like data analysis tools. Also, I tell about my study plans, like I want to do what in in senior high school or in university, and I make a short movie, one class, when I grade, and also I presented about final projects about country, portfolio, and others. And also for Dinia projects, I make Akidah poster about Nabi Ibrahim, storytellings about Rasulullah, and also make mind mapping about the 8 type of the one who can get a zakat. And I managed to adab bertakziah and the task for reading Quran. So the poster I make in Figma and also Canva, and if the reading Quran I record in OBS. Okay. So there is some achievement like that I get from Aguna course or Coding Studio. Yeah, there is network fundamental, fundamental pentest, network fundamental, and also there is again there is fundamental cyber and fundamental Linux. And also for the experience, I have teach about in Stikom CKI about cyber, and Phnom Penh Dubai Islamic School. I teach with Vino. Yeah, it's about Canva, and also I teach in SMP Islam Nurul Sunnah. I teach about microbits when I grade. Yeah, and also I teach to Canva and Figma with Kashka in sekolah Indonesia Kairo. And also I teach again in SMU Johor Bahru and also Santikon Islamic School. That's about Canva and Figma. So it's basically learn about design. Yeah. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for your nice attentions, and sorry if it's too fast for presenting. And that's all about my portfolio. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.